Hey, have you ever felt like your money just disappears? Like it has a mind of its own? Well, you are definitely not alone. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on that little mystery. We're talking about personal finance apps, these super simple tools that can finally show you exactly where every single dollar is going and put you back in the driver's seat.
So let's start with a feeling I'm pretty sure we've all had. I like to call it the money mystery. It's that nagging sense that your own finances are kind of like a black box.
You know the drill, right? The paycheck hits, you pay your bills, you live your life, and then suddenly, there's like a week left in the month, you check your account, and you're just stumped. It's not about feeling bad, it's just this constant, low-key stress, this financial fog that just hangs around.
And honestly, it's no surprise this is so common now. I mean, think about it. We live in this world of tap-to-pay, one-click ordering, subscriptions that just renew themselves. Money is more abstract than it's ever been, and it is so easy for it to slip right through our fingers without us even realizing it.
But what if you could just switch on the lights? What if you could solve that mystery for good? Well, that's exactly where this new kind of tool comes into play. One that's designed for one thing, to bring some serious clarity to your financial life.
So what even is a personal finance app? Just think of it like a smart assistant that lives on your phone. Its whole job is to pull all of your financial stuff into one place and then translate it into something you can actually understand and use.
Honestly, this is the perfect way to think about it. You wouldn't just guess how many steps you took in a day, right? You'd look at your fitness tracker for the real data. Well, a finance app does the exact same thing, but for your money. It gives you a clear, data-driven look at your financial health. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds complicated, but the real beauty of these apps is just how simple they make everything. So let's break down how they actually turn that endless stream of transactions into clear, simple insights.
The whole process is actually pretty straightforward. First, you securely link up your accounts. From there, the app does all the heavy lifting. Its brain, its AI, automatically starts categorizing everything. So that $20 charge isn't just a number anymore. It knows it was for lunch. That recurring $10, that's your streaming service. Then, it takes all of that and visualizes it, turning a boring long list of transactions into a picture that actually tells you something.
Okay, but here's where the real magic happens, because tracking isn't just about collecting a bunch of numbers. It's about turning all that raw data into genuine understanding, and that is the key to making way better decisions.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? You can't make smart choices if you're in the dark. The moment you see where your money is actually going, you get the power to decide if that's where you want it to go.
And the benefits are real and they're tangible. You'll start having these little aha moments like, whoa, I spend 3 times more on takeout than I thought I did. You'll see exactly where you can trim back to save for that vacation. You can finally build a budget that's based on your actual life, not just guesswork. But most importantly, you go from being a passenger to being the one driving your own financial story.
So if this is sounding pretty good to you, where do you even begin? Well, the key is to think a little bit about what you really need before you jump in.
This comparison really gets to the heart of the matter. I mean, sure, you could try to track everything yourself in a spreadsheet, but let's be real. Think about the time that takes, the receipts you're going to lose, the little purchases you forget. Automation just removes all that friction. It's the difference between a chore you'll probably give up on and a habit that just works for you quietly in the background.
So before you just download the first app you see, just pause for a second. What's your goal here? Are you trying to smash some debt? Then you probably want an app with really good debt reduction features. Or are you just curious to see where the money goes? A simple free tracker might be perfect. Think about your goals, think about the features you'll actually use, and always check out their security. This is all about you choosing the right tool for your specific job. Because really, that's what this all comes down to. Your spending tells a story. It's a story about your priorities, your habits, maybe even your dreams. Using a personal finance app isn't about being judged or feeling restricted. It's about being able to read that story clearly, maybe for the first time, and then getting the power to write the next chapter all by yourself.